Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to change your Amazon payment method. Open your web browser and go to Amazon's website. Make sure you're signed in, then move your mouse over Accounts and Lists at the top right. Click your payments from the drop-down. You'll now be on the Amazon Wallet page. Here you can see all your saved credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Click on the payment method you want to update. To change the details of a payment method, select the card and click Edit. You can update the billing address or expiration date. Keep in mind, Amazon does not allow you to edit the card number. You'll need to delete and re-add the card if the number changed. If you want to use a new card, click Add a Payment Method on the left side. Enter your card details, billing address, and then save the changes. Amazon will immediately add it to your wallet. To make sure Amazon uses the correct payment option for future orders, select your card and click Set as default. This ensures new purchases automatically use your preferred card. If you already placed an order and want to change the payment method, go to Your Orders. Select the order, click Change Payment Method, choose your new card, and save the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon payment method.